Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 17th, 2022. We are going to give you all an Airbnb stock analysis and talk about, has the stock bottomed? Yes, because if the market has bottomed in Airbnb, then we want to be positioned to ride the market to higher prices. Now, welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price prediction. You guys can see it already in front of you. I had a price prediction for Airbnb to dip in price, to go down, and that is exactly what the market did. So congratulations to all of my day ones who saw the same thing. You guys should be learning from all of the information that I'm creating here on this platform so that you can become more proficient at predicting prices, which thereby will lead you into being more profitable. This is how you're able to win. So I want you all to join me. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel as well. Now, you guys can see it. Did a video right here on May the 11th, okay, in Airbnb. If you guys haven't seen that video, I keep everything transparent. It's still there in my Airbnb playlist, just to show you that what I'm showing you is actually true and factual. I was looking for the price to go down, and it did. Ultimate TP price was had on June the 13th, 13.84%. You guys can see that the market Airbnb went all the way down to $86.75 on July the 5th. If you timed that precisely, then guess what? That went down to 25%. I give you kudos for that. If you was able to take the bag on the low of July the 5th, fantastic. I give you kudos for that. Now, let me take that away because that time is over. That is through. Congratulations, though, because you did win on that prediction. Now, let's talk, because look at this. Look at this. Would you see what's going on into the market in Airbnb? Would you see this? Just take a look. We are trading in unfamiliar territory for this stock. This market in Airbnb has made all-time lows a couple of days ago on July the 6th. All-time lows. Do you think we're done then? Do you think the market has bottomed in Airbnb? We are no longer seeing the market hovering and keeping price supported at $130. We are no longer up there. So this horizontal line, which you all see in front of you, is no longer applicable. We need to use it to our benefit. So let's transpose the market here in Airbnb, right? Now, let's see, because I want us to determine how strong or how weak the market really is in Airbnb. Okay, so we're going to continue to follow this downtrend. Okay, let's say that this is the downtrend that the market is Airbnb is currently on. And it looks pretty applicable. Like, the market hasn't been able to break this downtrend line ever since it began in April of 2022. We have been in a downtrend in Airbnb. Are we still there? Let's see. Because the way that we can tell if the market is still going to continue to fall in the downtrend is if we don't see the market grabbing some support. Okay, so our attention needs to be focused in Airbnb to see if support is being created here. We need to see that, because if we do, then we know that the overall trajectory as to Airbnb's price is going to be outside of that downtrend line. Let's see what are the chances. Let's take a look at this on a different time frame. I'm going to start off with this on a 3-day chart, and you all can see that so far, yes, Airbnb has been grabbing some support right here around $92. Now, why would you say that? Why would you say, HueFin, why would you say that the market is grabbing support around 92? Because charts don't lie. Look at this. All of these 3-day price bars, there's only been twice to where the market was able to crack below 92. See, when you actually use real money, this is not play money. This is not paper trading that we're looking at. This is actual people placing their convictions either by buying or selling the stock. And the market here has been very relentless into breaking below 92. So far, looking at this from the 3-day chart, we could kind of say, yeah, Airbnb has bottomed. See, fundamental analysis is not going to show you this. 8 pillars of success is not going to show you this. The discount cash flow model is not going to show you this. Look at this on the weekly then. Let's take a look at this on the weekly chart. What do you think? We really need to talk about this. I want to show you something, because you're not going to get this information nowhere else. So right here on this weekly price bar, right, in Airbnb, the market prior to this week went down. Would you say yes? Would you agree? Okay. The following week, though, the market came up. Look at this last completed weekly price bar. Now, what do you think is different here? Like, seriously, what do you think is different here to the market in Airbnb from this weekly chart, this weekly price bar, to this one? I'll show you. Because last week, we saw more volume come into the market in Airbnb than we did the week of July the 5th. But then take a look at the spread of the bar of this one. Take a look. More volume came in last week than the prior week, but the spread is smaller. And then we're also seeing the market hold support at 92. I'm here to tell you that the buyers are supporting price in Airbnb at 92, which lends us to think and presume that the market in Airbnb is going to continue to move up. It's going to continue to ride higher. Yeah, that's my price prediction. I'm looking for the market in Airbnb to go up. Now, with that being said, you guys can all see that I created this downtrend line. We got to keep aware that the market may just go that high. Am I right? What do you think? Or do you think Airbnb is going to break outside that downtrend line? Because the restriction area, even though we understand that buyers have bottomed at 92, sellers are here. Okay, this is where the sellers are at. Look how tight this range is. Sellers have been successful at not allowing the buyers to break the price around like $98.50, $98.50. They have been very relentless into not letting the buyers take that area. The sellers are there. So I'm here to tell you, even though I'm looking for the market in Airbnb to go up, I'm not that bullish. I'm not looking for the market to run up like to $150, $200. No, because there's a lot of restrictional points that the sellers are positioned at in Airbnb that's going to keep the market working hard to move to higher price levels. Okay, so let me go ahead and drop this real quick though, because I am looking for the market in Airbnb to go up. Let's see what we got though. Okay, and this prediction is going to continue to be forthgoing until we see the market in Airbnb break the all-time low from these 3 days, the 30th, July the 1st, as well as July the 5th. We're going to continue to hold that. Okay, now my first price target, okay, that I'm looking for the market in Airbnb to run up towards, it's going to be around $98.38, around that area. Okay, 98, that's 3.96%. My second area, I want to look for the run up to 104. Okay, that gives us 9.76% movement higher. Now, guess what? We see the market in Airbnb break outside of 98.38, right? Guess look what happens. The market will break outside of this downtrend line. That's perfect. That is something that we want to see happen. We want to see the market break that, do we not? Of course we do. Okay, so now let me bring this area down. Now I'm gonna hold it there. I'm gonna keep it there because I really want the buyers to hold that market in Airbnb above 92. There, I'm here. I want you all to tell me what is your idea as to where Airbnb is headed. Okay, this is my idea, my thoughts. Now it is your turn. I want you all to give me your thought process as well as to how you think the market is going to trade as we approach mid-August. All right, let me know. Looking forward to reading your comments. All right, so let me bring this over right there, and we are in position. Now we just need to chill out, let the market trade, and as time goes on, we'll see which one is right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.